Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So, yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at crypto.com taking a look at crypto. And first off, let's look at the CRO. We've had a pretty good week with the CRO. We're back up to 46 cents. I'm loving that, especially in this account. It's even better in my other account. So, you can see totals are climbing back up to where they should be because Bitcoin is going back up above 44, the floor. Now, 44 is a very important number, and I think we're going to be good from here on out. But what this real video is really about, Bitcoin's going to 100,000. CRO's going to $1 short term. But this video is about VVS. Right? We are not really moving on VVS. Right? It's not going up. It's went up 13% in the last week. Okay, that's great, but let's go back and look at the CRO for the last week. And you can see there's a similar move. However, I am down substantially still, and I just have this VVS sitting here, $31 worth, and it's just taking up space, accumulating dust. And I can put this to work. So that is what I'm going to do today. That is my primary objective, is to go over here to VVS Finance and implement this CRO into a farm or a pool or something. And you can see it takes a little bit of time for this thing to load, but that's okay. Let's go over to the farm and we can see we are about ready for a harvest. Now, I want to harvest this now because CRO is only getting more expensive. It costs about 1 CRO to harvest, and I can re-implement this VVS into the next thing I'm going to do, and hopefully it's going to show up in the wallet pretty quickly. It does take, I don't know, 30 seconds, a minute, somewhere in that range to finally get the adjudication that the you see it says VVS earnings have been sent to the wallet, but I can guarantee you they're not there just yet. It does take a little time. Now, while we're waiting for it to process, let's go down all the way to the bottom, and we can see our multi-farm. We have VVS Tonic LP staked here, and yeah, we're making some money on it. It's only 50% interest. It's pretty low. If you guys tuned in to my MMO Meerkat Finance video yesterday, 2,000%, way better, but the fees over there are kind of high. So, they do have a new thing here called XVVS. I have not started with this yet, but the interest rate is a little lower than I anticipated. It's only 28%. Not great. So I was hoping for a much higher interest rate. But you see here, it can go up to 208% APR, which is pretty good, right? It's the double, right? You put $100 in, at the end of the year, you get $300 out. I can take that. Let's see the vault. Now, in the vault, you have to lock it in, and this is I haven't experimented with this yet. I haven't enabled it. So, alright, anyway, that's just a side note. What we want to do today is we're going back to the mines of Moria. Okay, that's a Lord of the Rings reference if you guys didn't get it. Alright. Some of you did, some of you didn't. It's fine. Next. Now, here we're auto VVSing. So what I want to do is I want to increase my stake. It's only 50% interest. Okay? So at the end of the year, I'm only going to make 50% interest. I know it's not a lot, but it's better than Wells Fargo will give you. Now, there is going to be some impairment loss, which I've shared with you before. So we're just going to hit this plus button, And you can see the VVS, we have 1.4, almost 1.5 million. And I know the VVS has been going into my wallet because before I didn't have that much. So you can see the current ROI, about 38 bucks I'm putting in, and we're getting again about 20 bucks in interest. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, I guess I'll take it. If you guys are going to twist my arm, 1.9 CRO it's going to cost. So that, to stake this, it's going to cost about $1. So they're already eating into my profits and returns, and we'll see when I unstake it, it's also going to charge me, and we'll see what the liquidity is like at that point. It could be multiple times before I actually get to unstake it. Now you can see we are staked, and you can see everything's been reset. All right, the 0.1 unstaking fee for the next 3 days. Not a problem, because I'm going to be leaving in this here for a few years is my plan. And by then, it should have grown substantially. At least in VVS. Maybe not dollars. As they continue to add VVS to the system, the value might continue to decrease with time. But TBD, we'll see. Let's go back to the dashboard, and we can see the total we have staked here at VVS Finance, and the total is 454. And the total platform has yielded to date $100, which is pretty good. Still not even close to what I put in, about $1,000. So I'm down quite a bit, unfortunately. But with Bitcoin coming back, I have high hopes this is going to work out in the long run. So be sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you guys think of VVS. Or if you want to see more MMO, MMF, Mad Meerkat type stuff, massive interest rates going there. Go check out my other videos. 2,000%. Can't beat that. But once again, the CRO fees over there are a little higher. So, 6 of one, half a dozen the other. We will get there together in this journey of adventure in crypto. So be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.